Hello everyone, I'm Oz, Thai in the United States. I remember last year, 2022, my husband contacted the company to estimate how much if he would like to build partial of the basement to be nicer space, building the wall and make the floor nicer. That's what I know the project he would like to get. And the guy who came told him that the law, we need to have an exit from the basement. If not, we can't build. And he didn't tell me anything until now. He told me he already signed a contract with the DryZone, the same company that we hiring them to do our basement. But I didn't know who was the company that he talked about building the basement. Then he said next month from today, the company gonna send a guy or 2 or 3, I have no idea, to build the exit. That was information he told me and I didn't ask. I just look on YouTube and internet, and also I look at the house which I cleaned. They have nice basement and the walkway to the door. And then I thought he would build the door. But at the end, I saw it's a window. The window we have is nice and good enough because we haven't have the finished basement, so we pretty much stay in the house. Then we only need the way to exit when emergency. That's all. Then I look online again what the door gonna look like. I see many different things like the cover, open door, up on the ground, and the cover like a dome. Some they just open and planted, looks nice around the area. The Egress, that is the word I got. So when the guy came, it is October 19th. He talked to my husband about everything and process for the day. And I asked how long it's going to be. Only 2 days. So it's going to be on 19 and 20 October. And he said, any question? My husband said no, but me. I said, I would like to know if he mind if I record video during his work. He said, no problem at all. I can take as many as photo and record video as many as I want. I appreciated that, and I just go out and walk in the house and go out many times to record video and take photo because I don't want to be on their way. And at the time, the guy cut the wall. The sound was loud. Then I grabbed my drone and flew the drone, record a little bit to get the picture. In fact, I would like to get closer and record while he used the saw to cut, but I couldn't find the earplug. He has one young man as his assistant. He just helped him whatever he asked, to grab that, to grab this, whatever. The main job, only one man do most part of the main job. Pretty much done everything in 2 days. The work was good, as I see. Everything they do is neat. I don't have construction knowledge. What I see, everything great. They asked about the rest of the dirt that they dug out. If we want to put some area, I asked them at the beginning what did they do with other clients. So he said just put in their property. Then I look back to the area in the backyard. We clear the bushes and it look like basin over there. So I decide, okay, gonna put that. Then I asked my husband to come out and I told him if he agree with me, and yeah, he just said yes. That is good. And I learned about the house base, the base. I was doubting what's the house stand on, because we have basement, and what I saw is the big beam steel in the middle of the house. How the house can stay on just one beam, and then when the guy dig the ground, I see my answer of my question. It is the base, as you see in the video, the block, the concrete, the cement. As I mentioned, I have no idea about construction, so I know now how the house stand because of the base all around the house. And then I think about the video in Thailand. They use the pole is kind of big nail, the metal nail, very huge. And then I asked my husband if the house using like that. He told me some yes, some not. Depends on the condition, I guess. Anyway, I learned new thing. I like to see how people create, build things. Just the second day, I went to work, so I didn't have video while they're working. Just only at the end. Everything looks nice, and because we have small budget but still expensive to me. And the next day I asked my husband to get the rock, and then I can put around on the edge, looks nicer, cover the dirt. So I am happy, my husband is happy, and we tested how to open the window in the basement. Just open the window, pull in, and the guy told when we would like to get out, we need to unplug the plug and then take the screen out, then we can come out and go up, open the lid. This window and the clear lid can let the sunlight get in the basement. That is a good thing too. I like it. I was excited at the first day that they came until they finished until now. Voiceover for video to you guys who listen to me in English. I am still excited. And at the end of the first day they done, I walk around, look around, and video, take photo by myself. I use 2 camera, and also I moved the wood, the timber out of the street to get in my property because it looks not neat, untidy. just me. And then I go check the hole they lay on the ground open, and then I worry if somebody, me or my husband, may walk and accident, step on, and then maybe get hurt. Then I turn them over. It's me. I am like this person. Morning.
How are you today?
I'm good. Gonna go to work.
I go to work.
Yeah. Oh. So what you gonna do around here?
We're gonna fill it all the way up, slope it out.
Okay. I'm gonna see when you finish then. I work.
Yeah, it'll
I work.
slope out from here out, and then the rest of the dirt we'll take back there.
And the cover?
Yep, it's up in the truck.
It's okay.
It'll sit right up on top.
Oh.
Across. So when you go to open it, it'll actually fully come off.
Yeah.
So I didn't put the screen in yet, but that just pops right out, and then you can go up and out, and for case of emergency, you just throw it.
Yeah. Maybe I'm not gonna see you 3 hours. I work for 3 hours.
Oh, we'll be here.
Okay. Oh. Open? Can I open? I can open, right? How to open? Oh. Okay. Can I take this out?
Yep, if you pull the 2 little black tabs, pull them up and push it out, and then it'll fall out.
And I can put it back?
Yep.
Oh, okay. I do it later?
Yeah, if you just pull both those little black tabs up, the bottom will slide out, and it's got 2 little slots on the top.
You wanna try? I don't wanna break. Okay, go see outside.
And I'm gonna rinse all this off real quick and get everything cleaned up.
Okay. Look good. Oh. Yeah. Oh, watching. Oh, wow. Oh. Good. see here? Nice. See, it's more even. It doesn't have like a basin. Just
Slides into this side.
okay.
It just slides into that hole right there.
Okay.
And then that one just drops right on.
Oh. Oh, okay.
So if you ever have an emergency, you can either just flip it up or basically throw it off.
Okay. Thank you for stopping by, watching my video and listening to me. Have a great day. Bye.